एवरीबॉडी, कैसे हो आप सब। स्वागत है आपका मेरे अनदर ले ओवर व्लॉग में। दिस टाइम आई एम इन वियना व्हिच इज अ कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ ऑस्ट्रिया। लॉन्ग टू शॉर्ट स्टोरी, आई was not scheduled for this flight. I was scheduled for airport standby. While I was in cab, I got pulled out for 7 days pattern, 3 days in Vienna and then 2 days in Washington. It was very exciting, but I did not have enough clothes, so I had to call my sister to bring some clothes at the airport. After landing into Vienna, I had 3 hour of nap. उसके बाद से कुछ स्नैक्स एंड मंचेस के लिए मुझे ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग के लिए जाना पड़ा. आई बॉट सम good quality snacks, as you can see, high protein meals and all, but trust me, it was not delicious at all. I regretted it later. Since it was my first time in Vienna, I wanted to explore as much as I can because I had 3 days in my hand, but my entire set of crew already been to every places, so I had only one crew जो कि नई थी और एक crew के साथ बहुत दूर जाना पॉसिबल नहीं था, तो हम वियना सिटी एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए गए. Here I am all dolled up. City was not very far from our hotel, so we decided to go by public transport, which was a train. स्टेशन पे जाके हमें पता चला there are three type of train, and अगर आप बहुत ही प्रीमियम ट्रेन लेते हैं तो उसके टिकट almost 100 times expensive होती है than normal train. And here we were making all the mistakes. हम रेड वाले बूथ पे गए थे जिसका 68 यूरो था टिकट, only for one stoppage for two people, but it was luxury. हमें जाना था ग्रीन वाले बोर्ड पे जिसका टिकट था मात्र 8 यूरो फॉर टू पीपल. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इंटायर यूरो, बट जहां भी मैं गई हूँ स्टेशन और ट्रेन के लिए टिकट यू हैव टू बाय. इट्स मैंडेटरी थिंग, बट nobody is gonna come and check, so you have to be honest with it. Since it was noon time, it was very hot, almost 30 degree. I had to buy water bottle for it, but the city aesthetic is on top. That's why इतनी बुरी भी नहीं लग रही थी मुझे गर्मी while exploring the street. Here you can see the statue of Saint Stephen's Cathedral Church, and this is just a statue, and when I saw it for the first time, I was amazed. This is the back side of the church. Little history about this church: this is the tallest church in Vienna city and has been reconstructed many times after World War II to finally give it this structure, and from my eyes this was the prettiest. I saw so many horse cart at the back side of church, and it was so aesthetic to watch. I mean, I have heard many times that Europe is beautiful, but it was never meant to be this beautiful in my thought. It is amazing. While exploring the exterior of the wall, we found a man who was inviting us to join a ballroom. I would love to join, but it's just that I did not have enough crew who were interested enough to go and see the ball, but I would really love to do that in future. While exploring the interior of city, as you can see, it is as pretty as it looks from outside. The best part of exploring the interior of church was the piano music which was being played while we were watching it. After enough gazing, it was finally time to go out and see the front part of the church. And here it is. Isn't it amazing? The detailing, the perfection is on top. We were there around the church for quite a long time and we decided to explore the street. I was craving ice cream because it was quite hot. All the weather is pretty, but it is hot. So we decided to go and have some ice cream, which was right across the street, and it was amazing. For some odd reason, I think the entire Europe street looks very same. I have recently been to Frankfurt and I've been to Zurich city as well, and these cities share common aesthetics when it comes to street. Here finally I got this ice cream. It was raspberry and chocolate flavored. It was amazing. While exploring the street, we saw this huge panda. Apparently you are supposed to go and click picture with it. The funny part is the guy standing in front of it didn't want people to click picture of it without being paid, so he was standing in front of it and ruining everybody's picture. We found this cute little flower shop. As you can see, it is so pretty. We wanted to buy fridge magnet, but the lady said if you are not paying more than 10 euro, then no card, so we had to stop that. And here we are finally saying goodbye and having a last glance of the church, and here I am back in hotel. I did not realize, but next day I saw the tanning was so evident that my entire shape of dress was printed on my skin. After doing skincare and hair care, I did not realize I was very tired until I hit the bed. It was so relaxing for me to watch movie while having my coffee and call it a day. Next 24 hour I had nothing to do. I had my breakfast in the morning, hit gym, did some exercise because honestly I cannot sit at bed all the time. And this was my last day in Vienna. Honestly, I love this city and I would love to explore again. And day after, I had another flight to operate, which was Washington from Vienna. Right now, I'm in Washington. I've just reached to my room and I'm super tired, jet lag, not knowing what time it is because come on, I departed from India, stayed in Vienna for 3 days, and then after 3 days, when you finally get settled in their time zone, my company put me into Washington, which is six and a half, I guess, yes, 6.5 6 hour behind from Vienna time zone. And trust me, ideally I should be sleeping because in Vienna it will be evening, but here it's in the afternoon. It's 2 p.m. here. I am pausing this video here because if I will stretch this for Washington layover as well, it will going to be very long and I don't want to do it. So I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, do subscribe my channel, like it, subscribe it, and you know the drill. See you all in next vlog. Bye bye.